what's up? You're watching Gears of Snore, Hessian Lake. Okay. Out here taking a ride on 9W. Was gonna take the PIP home, but it's a nice day, and what's the hurry? 9W's one of the more fun highways to ride, especially when you pay attention and are in the right lane.
Captain Insano shows no mercy.
If you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up. Yeah, just went to Storm King Highway. Was happy it's back open. Great ride. I don't know what was up with all the spotted lantern flies, but they were friggin' landing on everything. My bike, me, my flannel. Friggin', I got all the way out past West Point. I thought the assault was over, and I feel something on my leg, and one of them flew up and landed on it. Here's a bell or something up here, if I remember correctly. We came back this way. We went to the Motorcycle Museum in Newburgh, New York. Cool place. Oh, I was mistaken. Sorry for the sniffles. Still dealing with allergy nonsense. Yeah, if you live in northern New Jersey, New York, 9W is some really good riding. There's another one too up here, 9D, I think it's called. Also, great ride. There's a stretch of 9W coming out of by West Point, heading back towards New Jersey. I don't know who the hell paved that road, man, but your ass needs to get fired. They put this like uneven strip, I'm gonna push over, right up the middle of the road, and makes your motorcycle tires angry. Myself a new pair of motorcycle gloves. Just looking at Odin, and then I got to get a better pair for winter. My rides aren't very long in the winter, but I don't winterize the bike because in the 40s I'll go for, you know, a couple mile ride, but when those 50 days creep in, it's business as usual. Yeah, it's nice too. 9W is all along the Hudson River. You can actually swim in the water up here. It's clean. You can see your feet in 6 feet of water. said shared roadway. All of 9W is a shared roadway with the spandex Spartans. Some of them, though, their head's too big for their shoulders. They're out blocking traffic, swinging in front of cars. Bro, big heavy objects hurt. I think this might be the stretch with the bell. And it's over here. Oh, it's not a bell. It's an anchor. Quick little ride video on 9W up here. If you're watching this in the winter, I filmed this in September. That's why I don't have a jacket on. But yeah, appreciate you watching. If this does drop in the winter, they'll be coming out every other Sunday. Peace, guys.